Want to send a large video on Gmail but it's too big to attach? Here's how to do it. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap on the Compose button at the bottom. Now, enter the recipient's email address. Add a subject, for example, video file. At the top, tap the paperclip icon to attach a file. You'll see a few options, choose your preferred one. Now select the video you want to send. If the video is small, it will attach normally. But if the file is too large, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive. It will then appear as a link instead of a regular attachment. Next, tap on the send icon. You may see a pop-up asking about sharing permissions. Choose your preferred setting. Recipients only is usually the best option. Now tap send again. And that's it, your video has been successfully sent. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.